In Kenya, we are already seeing forced migration, relocation, and displacement due to floods, landslides, and droughts. Climate impacts are degrading ecosystems, reducing crop yields, causing destruction of livelihood, habitable areas, and basic infrastructure. The outlook of climate's impact on human mobility in Kenya over the coming month and years is bleak if we do not start taking climate actions urgently and at a significant scale. We can no longer talk about climate change without talking about human mobility. Climate change is one of IOM's top priorities in Kenya, in Eastern Horn of Africa, as well as globally. IOM is working with the government of Kenya, sister UN agencies, and development partners to improve economic, social, and health outcomes of people on the move. In drought-impacted areas in northern Kenya, IOM recently distributed over 44,000 drought-resistant trees and vegetable seedlings among drought-affected families. We also trained over 14,000 people in improved agricultural techniques to give them an alternative source of livelihood as they lost their livestock. We are providing cash assistance to 23,000 people to meet their priority needs. Thousands of displaced households in Turkana and Garissa counties have been given hygiene and dignity kits. We are also sensitizing girls and women on preventing and reporting sexual exploitation and abuse, which is more prevalent in displacement-affected communities.
Aloto mak loko nyikin no ria kopa ato yanar bo boyer la ra ngi dulo lo ki pen to kana ki yalo dun yalo ko ko tere ara loko loko de ara lo tur kana lo to kana bun lo to yanar bo boyer la ra ngi dulo lo te aloto makane to ngoli ki kare boyer ya joko to wana ikun na to kana ane ya unya ngara kana ikun na to kana ato tinga ke de ko aloto mang ro tindang lu ara ngi dul to kana rijun ko tere ki ro ru wanga to ngulu ke bala kana ke Pili ko logi jado wae arai neni e roto che nto kana min to kana ngurulu are roto che
IOM is working with the government of Kenya and relevant ministries and agencies to mainstream migration into county development plans, having development discourse, and ensure that a longer-term climate lens is applied to build community resilience through innovative migration, environment, and climate change interventions. IOM is also prioritizing gathering data and generating evidence to support informed disaster risk reduction and disaster risk mitigation programming.